Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in 2025 the right way. Whether you're a brand new user or you've used it before, this guide will walk you through the basics and show you how to unlock its real potential. So go grab a coffee, hit the like button, and let's dive in. We start off. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by OpenAI. You type something in, it's called a prompt, and it replies with a human-like responses. Think of it as a super smart assistant that can help you write, code, plan, brainstorm, and more. It has recently made life a lot easier, like writing emails, generating YouTube ideas, summarizing an article, or translating languages. You name it. In 2025, it's not just text. ChatGPT can also handle images, documents, and even voice input if you're using the newer versions. Now we're going to talk about how to access ChatGPT. To get started, you first open up chat.openai.com, sign up or log in if you already have an account. You can use the free version, but the paid one called the ChatGPT Plus gives you the ChatGPT 4.5 or ChatGPT 4.0, which is a much faster and a smarter version. Now we're going to talk about the most important thing is how to use ChatGPT the right way. The magic is in the prompt. Be clear, specific, and give context. Here we can talk about an example. For instance, if you give a command or a prompt to ChatGPT saying, write a blog post, it's going to ask you about the topic and it will generate a write-up on its own, regardless of the number of words. However, if you give a command or a prompt saying, write a 500-word blog post, benefits of meditation for beginners, emphasizing on the step-by-step guidance and some tips and tricks. This will now generate an exact and a precise write-up for you in the exact number of words with the specifics you have asked for. Not only that, it will also tell you what other steps you can do to improve your write-up. It will give you some suggestions as well. Some tips that you can use while accessing ChatGPT are using bullet points for clarity, add your tone, for example, being casual, professional, questioning, ask it to revise or improve what it wrote. That can be a very good idea when you want more detailed explanation of the response you have received. One other important thing you can do when accessing ChatGPT is you ask it to role play. This is very important when you want it to act as someone and write to you. So, for instance, you can say, act as a professional career coach and help me write a resume. The second thing you can do is feed it some documents or information. For instance, here's my CV. Can you write a cover letter based on it? And it's going to give you the exact cover letter with the required experience and the relevant field you have specified to it. You can also ask for ChatGPT to give you a step-by-step help. For instance, explain how to start a dropshipping store step by step. In this way, it will follow the exact steps that are required. Not only that, it will even give you the documents you need to submit to start up a business like that. A lot of people are using ChatGPT to learn faster. For instance, explain quantum physics like I'm in high school. This has provided a lot of students a lot of help and guidance in understanding difficult and tricky topics. It's important for us to think of ChatGPT as our smart partner. The more clearly you communicate, the better it performs. Now we're going to discuss some real-life uses of ChatGPT in 2025, and this is not limited. This is continuously expanding. The first one where it has shown incredible development is in education and learning. Students are using ChatGPT to summarize lectures, explain concepts, and even generate quiz questions. It's like having a tutor that's always available. A lot of YouTubers, bloggers, and social media managers are using it for content creation, to write their script for videos, to generate hashtags, write captions, and more. ChatGPT has been found very useful in business and productivity in terms of writing emails, drafting proposals, making Excel formulas, creating business plans, pretty much your virtual assistant. Another field where ChatGPT is very successful is software development. Developers are using ChatGPT to write, fix, and explain their codes. It even helps debug. Another field that's the most important, I believe, is healthcare and medicine. AI is now playing a big role in healthcare. Doctors are using AI to analyze x rays, detect early signs of diseases like cancer, and even predict patient outcomes. Tools like ChatGPT can help medical professionals write reports, explain certain conditions to patients in simple terms, or even assist with medical research. ChatGPT has proved to be very useful in personal growth as well. Use it for journaling prompts, goal planning, language learning, and even therapy like reflections. It's like a wellness coach in your pocket. Now, it's important for us to know a few don'ts, things not to do when using ChatGPT. Don't blindly trust every answer, it can be wrong. Don't share any of your personal or private information, as it could lead to identity theft. And don't treat it like Google. It's great for creation, but not always for facts. So, better not use it for factual information. In conclusion, we can say whether you're a student, a content creator, a business owner, or just curious, ChatGPT in 2025 can totally level up your game. So, let me know in the comments below how you plan to use ChatGPT. I might make a full video about that field next. And if it helped you out, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.